the KoAloha KoAlana concert ukulele. Good sound.
It is.
Good sound. You can feel that these are well made.
I agree.
We know who made them. We know the company and where they're made. So, you know, quality made. They feel nice. The sapile all the way around, top, back, and sides. And this is a laminate, which you would kind of expect for this price point, because you get a lot of value for an instrument that's around the $200 range with the, rosewood bridge and fretboard, the gear tuners, the gig bag that's included as well, the abalone rosette, the bone nut and saddle, 1.5" scale nut width, and then the 14 3/4 scale length on this. Concert, fluorocarbon strings, comes with a high G. But you're getting that KoAloha sound, and they're known for that kind of the real big sound on them. And if you wanted to get a little bit more bass, just drop in a low G on it, and you're gonna get a little bit more of that that range. But you're getting everything that you want for a kind of the entry level of a KoAloha. Whether you're a beginner, maybe you want a traveling instrument that you don't have to worry about. It's going to hold up to humidity and temperatures a little bit better than maybe a koa wood instrument is.
For your friends or family that you don't want them to touch your KoAloha.
Yeah, so
good option.
But anyway, great job, KoAloha, the KoAlana. This is the concert version of it, available at
TerryCarterMusicStore.com.